Alright, American standard toilets, one-piece toilets where the cistern doesn't separate from the bowl. You have this type of flush. Now, these are hardly found in the market, so I'll put the link to the item in the description of this video if you want to get one of these. The assembly of this, they come like this, but you have 3 bolts, 3 plates. They can be brass or steel. I've chosen steel. You put the 3 screws in 3 bolts in 3 holes you have inside there, and you connect the plate there. You don't tighten them, just loosely there, so we can turn these all in and fit them inside the hole, and then hold them with your fingers. I'm going to explain this here because when I go actually inside the cistern to do this, the camera might not be able to show you what I'm doing. And then you'll tighten the screws, not too tight, just as long as you are grabbing the unit and it's secure to the cistern. If you tighten it too much, you might crack the ceramic or porcelain. The rubber flush goes in here, and by the way, this comes in a plastic cover. In this case, yours might be different, like this. You might be forgiven to think that this goes like this, but it doesn't, and it's written on it, remove before assembly. So you remove that, you chuck it away, and you put that there. It just snaps on. But before you do that, I think it would be easier just to do the tightening of the screws, and then you do that. And there's a chain and a grommet, a little grommet. You put the chain through the grommet, put the chain through this hole. So this is for your flush. Then you can adjust it with this wire or metal snap that goes inside your handle, or you can just use the old one. So let's just go and see how we can tighten this inside the old system. First thing you do, you make sure the water to the toilet is shut off. Put this away. This is the old one. You should have known by just looking at that. You should have known that. That should actually, all that's happened here is just this is snapped. So we could have easily put a hole here and fix that. But I'm gonna keep this, clean it, and put it away for another time. Right. All you need is a screwdriver. You make sure these plates are grabbing the ceramic cistern. You tighten the screws, but not too tight, just as long as it grabs it. Make sure to centralize the unit in the hole. and go around tightening each screw. Okay, I think it's tight enough. One of them isn't. Okay. Now that's in. Now we need to put this rubber seal snap on, and then that's it. You just put this, connect this to this. What we have to do, we have to adjust this to the point that is not actually pulling it up, where it's hanging on this, shouldn't be pulling it. What we do it this way, is easier. You put this from inside the hole. You go and adjust you put the chain from the top of it, top of the pin, and you adjust where you want it. I think that's where it should be, and then you pull it down. You pull it down to this ring. Let's turn the tap on. There's no water going in, so that's there's a little bit of water going. Mm-hmm. That means it's not tightened. It's not sealed enough, or it's not. It hasn't got enough water. Let me. All right, the flush is in now. The flapper is in, and it's not leaking anymore. It's centralized and tightened a little bit more, so it's working. It stays up till the water goes down and then flops back. You can adjust that as you wish. The chain up and down, you can adjust it. Let's adjust it to my liking. And that's it. Till next video, it's goodbye from me.